Tarla Dalal.
And I am Vidhi, and today we will be making stuffed jalapenos with salsa.
It's a very simple and quick starter which is very interesting and different. So let's begin. So the ingredients required to make the stuffed jalapenos are jalapenos, paneer, hunkered, cheese, salt and pepper, and pickled jalapenos.
For the salsa you will need finely chopped tomatoes, garlic, spring onion, basil, ketchup and salt to taste. So now I'm going to show you how to roast and peel the jalapenos. To roast the jalapeno, I have taken some oil and I'm going to brush it on and put it on the gas.
So Vidhi, just be careful, don't burn yourself.
Yeah, so I've taken tongs as well.
So now we're going to cook it through on the gas. So we are going to roast this until it is nice and black.
So now I've roasted this and I'm going to put it in a bowl of water to cool down and peel off the skin with my hand. So now I'm going to wait till it's cool and then start peeling.
So now Vidhi has peeled the jalapeno, and what are we going to do next?
So now I'm going to de-seed it. I'm making a slit in the jalapeno and I'm going to take a spoon and remove the seeds.
Be careful while slitting the jalapeno because we are going to stuff it at the end. So now Vidhi has de-seeded the jalapeno.
And I've also done it for the rest of them. Now let's start making the stuffing and salsa. So for the stuffing, you need to add the paneer first. I'm going to lightly crumble it with my hands.
Vidhi, I'm just going to give you a hand with this.
So now that the paneer is crumbled, I'm going to add the hunkered.
So the end results are going to turn a bit burji-like.
Now I'm going to add the jalapenos.
They are pickled.
And now the salt and pepper. Now that we've added all the ingredients, I'm going to mix everything.
So now I think the mixture is more or less done. So let's taste it. Yum, Vidhi, good job. This mixture tastes amazing.
Thank you.
It's like the perfect texture.
It's not too lumpy and yet not too pasty.
So now I'm going to make the salsa.
So Arya, can you show us how to make the salsa?
Sure. So to start off with, you need to add some chopped tomatoes. It is very important that for the salsa, the tomatoes need to be finely chopped. Next, I'm going to be adding some spring onion, which is also chopped. Now I'm going to be adding some garlic. And now I'm going to be adding some dried basil, but you can also use fresh. And this is some ketchup which I'm going to be adding.
Hey Arya, don't you think we should add some lemon?
Yeah, that'll make it more delicious. Can you please help me squeeze it?
Sure.
Okay, so now at last we're going to add some salt just for taste.
I can't wait to eat this.
Me too. It looks delicious. So now let's quickly mix it. So while mixing it, I'm just going to mash it a bit by the back of the spoon so it becomes nice and juicy. So now this salsa is finally ready.
So now that the stuffing is ready and the jalapenos are ready, I'm going to stuff it with my hand.
Okay.
So now I'm going to do the remaining the same way. So now I have stuffed the jalapenos and now I'm going to grease this baking tray with oil.
Vidhi, why do you have to grease the baking tray?
So the jalapenos won't stick to it.
Oh, okay.
Now that it's greased, I'm going to put the jalapenos on it.
And the next step after this is to put some salsa on top along with some cheese.
So Arya, I'm going to show you one and you can do the rest.
Okay. So we're finally done putting the salsa. So let's sprinkle some cheese over it. This is processed cheese, but you can also use fresh cheese. Vidhi, I think this combination would taste very delicious.
I can't wait to eat it.
Me too. So I think now we're done putting the cheese. So we're gonna put these stuffed jalapenos in the oven to bake at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes or till the cheese melts. So now the jalapenos are baked and ready. They look so delicious. I can't wait to eat them.
But wait, we have to cool them down first. They're very hot.
Okay, I'll wait till they're cooled down. Then we'll eat them.
Yeah.
So now the jalapenos are cooled and ready to eat. We hope you like this recipe and do share it with your friends.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.
Till then, goodbye from Tarla Dalal
and Vidhi Muneem.